Hello, I'm going to talk about the Lyon Hypothesis, which states that X chromosomes can be randomly inactivated during somatic cell development. To break down that definition with some key points, inactivated chromosomes are called bar bodies, and expression of the phenotype associated with that X chromosome is blocked. This only happens when there's an extra X chromosome, so at least 2 in an individual. A common example of this is the tortoiseshell coat pattern in cats, also known as tortie. The genotype is X big B, X little b. The big B codes for black fur, the little b codes for yellow fur, and you can see that the tortoiseshell has patches of both black and yellow fur. Another point with tortoiseshells is that a clone individual won't necessarily look like the mother because this X inactivation is completely random and is unlikely to be the exact same within both of the individuals. So we're given an example of a cross, a short-haired yellow female times a long-haired black male, and their genotypes are X little b, homozygous recessive for short hair, and then X big B, Y, heterozygous for long hair. So if we break these genotypes down and do a cross for each separate trait, you can see that for hair color, you'll get progeny that's X big B, X little b. That's going to be a tortoiseshell female. And then you'll get X little b, Y. That's going to be a yellow male. Hair length, you'll get heterozygous. That'll be a long-haired. And then homozygous recessive, which will be a short-haired offspring. To make a branch diagram of this, you'll get a half tortie female and a half yellow male, as I said. And to branch off from this, half of these tortoiseshell females will be short-haired. So then a quarter of the entire offspring will be short-haired tortoiseshell females. A quarter will also be long-haired tortie females. And the same way with the yellow males, a quarter of them are going to be short-hair yellow, and a quarter will be long hair yellow. So as you can see from this cross, you end up with a yellow parent and a black parent and end up with tortoiseshells because you get a big B and a little b from each parent. That's all.